When you think of Bangladesh, you think of noise, of chaos, and of crowds. But what if I told you that 70 to 80% is actually countryside? It's rural, it's beauty, and it's nature. So let's go and experience the real Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, take me there. Green fields wait.
Hello!
Laughing kids and market drums. Every little moment hums. Bangladesh, take me there. River golden, sunlight flare. Hand in hand we ride, we ride. Simple life feels so alive.
Thank you very much, Donabud.
Welcome.
Thank you. What a friendly welcome. Wowee. Gosh, that's nice, isn't it? Carrying our bag. We're back.
Village, it's been a long time. They are looking for young jackfruits there.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Can I get these ones? Yes, yes. Yeah?
Oi.
Let me take this and put it on. These
Oh,
are
wait,
even
let me
tiny.
Oh, they're so small.
And then you
tiny.
make pickle.
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Let me join you. What's your name?
My name is Jidan.
Nice to meet you, bro. What's your name?
My name is Rohan.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet
Taz.
you.
And this is Libby.
Yes,
Okay.
nice to meet
Give
you.
us 2 minutes. We can go. Okay.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, what a warm welcome, guys. So, if you've been here before, then you will know. Dhannabad, thank you so much. Okay guys, we're in Ekduaria, we're in a village. Let's go in, right? Feels like home. It feels like home. We came back to the village here in Bangladesh. We've driven about 2 hours from Dhaka. We're in Ekduaria, we're in the village. So now I'm very, very excited to be back. Ooh. Bye bye.
Okay.
Thanks for your help. Oh, those kids were so sweet, bless them as well. What a warm welcome, but I'm so happy to be back.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we are heading out now with the boys. They're gonna take us. We're gonna go and find some young jackfruit, and then we make some pickle, some achar. We literally have just got back to the village. We've dropped all of our bags off, and now we're gonna go out for a little walk and find some young jackfruits. Hello.
This is a papaya. Yeah.
This one. Oh yeah, growing literally just here. There you go. It has to get bigger though, right? It's too small right now. Bananas! Oh look, all the kitties! Hello!
Assalamualaikum.
They are too shy today. Hi! Hi! Everyone's gone silent as soon as I say hello to them. They are like, oh my goodness, who are you? Hello! That is so sweet, I love it. Hello! Yay! I love just wandering around as well, and there's like chickens roaming everywhere. Alright, the kiddies now, they're all following us. They're going to come with us and join in.
Are we getting a few more? Which one? Which one? There we go. So we're getting all of the young ones. These are too big for the achar. We need little ones like this. Oh, he's gonna go. Go on, my son. You got this.
He's literally climbing up.
Go on, Tarzan. You got this.
He's so strong. Good job. I'm impressed.
Look at
You won't get
that.
me climbing a tree like that.
Oh, here's a few.
Good job. Well done.
His name is Musa.
Musa. Musa, good job.
Ah,
High five.
you're very
Yay.
strong.
If you guys didn't know, Bangladesh is 70 to 80% countryside. It's all fields, villages, very green, very fertile. But the real essence and the real heart lies in places like this. Just the pure village life. Love it.
This is our last destination.
Oh, where? Over there?
Yeah.
Nice, okay.
This is so high temperature.
Yeah, very hot.
Very hot.
Very hot. No problem. Let's go.
Let's go.
Right now, it's...
Ladies finger trees.
Oh, this is ladies' fingers.
Yes.
Very nice. Bindi.
Bendy. Yeah.
This is
Bodied.
ladies' fingers. This is okra, by the way.
This?
Yeah, all of this is okra. It's always educational here as well. Somebody fell. Oh, the little one. Wow. That was hilarious. Hello, brother. How are you? Very good. Kaminachan. Salam alaikum. What's your name?
My name is Rahul.
Nice to meet you, Rahul.
Nice to meet you.
Salam alaikum. You are playing cards? Nice. What game are you playing?
We are playing 29.
Ah, 29.
No idea what
Loris.
29. That's a papaya, in case if you guys didn't know. Guys, up until 5 minutes ago, I had no idea what that was. Papayas everywhere here, man. Nice. I think it's either papayas or jackfruit. That's the national fruit here in Bangladesh.
Pond.
Yeah?
We grow there many fish.
Yes.
Yeah, that's our fish cultivation place.
This one here, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, look at that. We got a whole bunch of bananas. Look at that banana.
He cultivates
so many banana trees.
banana there.
You're gonna play cards and eat bananas now, huh?
Yeah, why not?
Let's make
Yeah, they're
this.
cutting it over there. It's all right. The papaya.
Yeah, right papaya.
Look at that. So we're cutting the papaya here. Is this ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You've got some good cutting skills, my friend. Better you than me, because I know if I was doing it, I would have cut my finger by now. That's some skills. Good skills, brother.
Let's catch it.
Thank you, bro. Fresh papaya here in Bangladesh. Why not? We literally just peeled it right now, so
Thank you so much.
got a bit of crunch to it as well. Nice. Done about, guys. Thank you. Very nice. Fresh, huh? Here with the boys, just casually munching on papayas that we just picked from a tree. Why not? What are you looking for now? Mango?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do you see anything? We've got more bits coming. Where is this? Tomato?
Tomato.
This is for the cha.
Yeah. This is for the acha.
Oh, you got it? Come, bring it.
Hey, don't nobody drop it.
There.
Musa.
This is mango. This is Musa.
Green chili.
Oh my gosh, we've got all the ingredients here for real. Nice. So green chilies, tomatoes.
This is tomato.
Little jackfruits.
Okay, these are the jackfruits, huh?
Yeah.
The baby ones.
That's very
We're gonna use banana leaves as your little makeshift seat. How cool is that?
There we go. And then I don't have to sit on the mud. How
That is so
nice.
cool, right?
On the mud. Thank you. Okay, we
That
need the
char.
chilies, right? We just take the little top bits off.
এতগুলো মুছ তো লাগতো না
How much?
Ooh, what's this one?
তেঁতুল bitter.
A beetle.
No, bitter.
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 It's
That is so
these are
sour.
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 Yeah,
Sour, like.
Is that
Tot.
Tot. Yeah. Okay. got
is
you.
that tamarind?
No.
Tamarind?
হ্যাঁ tamarind.
Yeah. Like sour. You're gonna mix that. 'cause it's-
Yeah.
Okay.
Like inside the. Okay.
Can take a piece.
Take a piece.
Take like this.
Take a little bit.
Okay, like this.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be pasty. It's tamarind. It's gonna be like sour.
Okay, yeah.
Sour, huh?
বুঝলাম না কি শুরু করলে তোরা একটা কোনো গান করো
We're gonna put it all together for the perfect homemade recipe. Alright, so we're putting in all the ingredients slowly. It's starting to turn into this kind of paste-like bit. We've got the ingredients laid out here. And then look at that. We're going nicely over there.
পরে দিয়ে যে আর্সেনাল কি তোর ভাই নাকি
This one.
he is not his brother.
Ah,
we are
They are brothers.
Okay.
Ah, okay, you are brothers, but you are friends.
We are friends.
Everyone's
Friends.
okay,
Okay,
got
okay,
you.
okay.
Nice.
We all are brothers.
Yeah, exactly. I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the banana flower, and then
yeah,
these
yeah.
little bits. Oh, mind me with your knife.
This will be banana.
These little bits can make the banana.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, look, and then there's the inside.
Show me.
Nice.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool, huh?
This is meant to be banana.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
This is gonna be banana.
You learn something new every day.
Look
Oh,
at
it
that.
smells like banana now.
Yeah. It's got so many.
Cool, huh?
So outside, inside, everywhere there's bananas and bananas. Hey, every day is a school day here in the village, right? You learn
Absolutely.
something new.
Is it like the flower bit?
Can I eat it now?
Yeah, yeah. You can eat.
What does it taste like?
Vegetable. It's not banana yet.
It's vegetable.
Right? Yeah. Go on. Like you're trying the tiniest bit. It's like potato and corn together.
Yeah.
Not bad,
Doesn't
right?
taste like much, to be honest. But it's quite light. It's quite like.
Aram diyo na.
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
Thank
I
Join
think
with us.
the boys are saying it's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Go on.
This
Ladies
is
first.
good.
Ladies
I
first.
just. This is okay.
Okay,
yeah?
okay, okay. This is okay.
Let's
That's a lot.
try some. That is so spicy. That is good.
Let's go.
You're gonna try some.
Of course
This
I
is
am.
spicy. I just tried a little bit.
Spicy
Let me
with
know what you
posty.
think.
Posty English ki.
Wow.
This is muchi.
Good, huh?
Strong. Plug in my throat, I can feel it. It's actually really good. I'm gonna go for another one.
Yeah, me too. From the side instead. Me too. That's very good. I like it. Big thumbs up.
You like? Everybody? Very good? Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
Very good.
Good, good, good.
We're flying the drone. And now everyone.
Yeah, and then everyone like this.
The excitement for the drone gets me every time because I love how much everybody loves it. All the kiddies are looking around Mr. Taz to see what it looks like. But you guys will see the real thing in 3, 2, 1.
You may.
Heart that heals, kids all laughing by the riverside. Bangladesh village life, my peace inside. Dusty roads and mango trees, slow days moving with the breeze. No big city, no fast lights, just golden sunsets and quiet nights.
Alright, we are now heading back through these rice fields. We finished our char as well. We also flew the drone.
That was so beautiful, which was very, very nice. Also very entertaining how amusing the kids found it. I absolutely loved that.
Right now I'm just concentrating on making sure I don't fall onto this side or this side because it's pretty full of water right now and we don't want that. The ones we are walking past right now is all cucumber growing. How long? How long till it's finished?
It's 2 months about 2 months না মনে হয় কয় কত
2 months?
Yeah.
Oh,
এটা
okay.
হইতে কত সময়
Yeah, I
লাগে?
don't see any. They look small.
1 month, sorry.
Oh, 1 month. Okay, nice. Not bad. So they must grow quite quick then.
If they're ready in 1 month. Yeah, I just heard.
They said they use it for salad.
Look at these little cows here chilling.
They're having their lunch. We've had a little bit of lunch as well. I am loving it, guys. Honestly, every single walk through the village turns into something fun because we have a group of followers. Hello. Our chariot awaits. Which side are you going? Are we getting in?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going this side. Guys!
Oh, Bilal!
Come on.
Yay!
Always room for Bilal.
There's always room for Bilal. I love that. Okay, now we're going to take tuk-tuk. So
Look at the view outside.
It's so pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed. But look at this, we've got 3 in the front, 3 in the back.
Bilal, are you ready for the market? Yeah?
Ready? Chalo. Chalo.
Bilal's like, yes, let's go. Chalo, chalo. Chalo.
Welcome to Bangladesh.
A few minutes later.
I think we're trying to get a bunch of bananas here right now, like quite literally a bunch.
Bargaining for them. So originally the seller wanted $6, which is like what?
600 takas.
taka. But I think they are negotiating.
Lots of bananas here. We're walking away? Not buying?
Not buying.
Okay.
We offered them 50, maybe
500.
500,000. 500,000, not 500.
Yeah.
But
They wanted more.
they wanted more.
Okay.
They wanted 600.
Oh, they wanted 6. And we offered them 500. Okay.
This is the best one. The bigger one is hybrid.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Good? Bilal, good?
We came to the night market. We're a little bit early though, and we found this little like
Tea stall?
area. Yeah, tea stall. Look at this.
How incredible is this? Bangladeshi opera. I'm sat in the middle, I've got people behind me right now. We're all watching this.
Wait, I'm so confused.
How's your tea?
The tea is fantastic.
We were told we're gonna go play Carrom in a minute, but this seems like a pharmacy. Where's the Carrom board?
I think it's in here.
Oh, it's one of them backdoor establishments, then, is it?
I think so.
Oh, is there a game on going right now? Look at that. Well, what do you know? We're in the little shed right now. There's a Carrom table and there's like 20 people in here as well.
This is pretty cool actually. It's getting intense, so I feel stressed for them.
Who won? Him? Winner? Oh, okay.
Cool, when today started I didn't realise I'd be doing this. We're in a little Carrom shop and look at the space down here. There's not a lot of space, but we are watching a game of Carrom, an intense game of Carrom.
Alright. Who's doing the break-in?
What else?
That will do.
So we're gonna go like this, yeah?
So we are a team, and you
Yeah.
are a team. Yeah, good job.
That was easy. So you gotta put it on the line? Put it on the line, yeah.
Excellent. Wow, you are professional.
You're supposed to let me win, you know that, right?
We won! Yay! Who won?
Me.
No, you
And
didn't.
my friend.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Here.
Yeah. There we are.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm a winner, basically. Alright, that was a lot of fun. I think, guys, that honestly, day one has come to an end. That was a lot of fun. We're going to go back for dinner, I think.
Yeah.
And a bit of a chill and a chat. So, hello and let's go.
See you in the next one from the village, doing something else that's fun and crazy. Until then, love you and leave you. Let's go!
Bye.